Hello, my name is Ken Lockett. This is week number 3, progression number 2 video. So assignment number 2. This week I want to get a little bit more up and running. As I expressed last week, I wanted to start on my CRUD um, operation. Also, I want to connect to the database. So first, I need to go ahead and download the Mongo database because I decided to go with that. And let's go ahead and see if we have just a second. Okay, so I went to mongodb.com. Um, Supposedly it's faster up and running than MySQL. You connect to it through the terminal. So I went ahead and downloaded everything, accessed everything through the terminal, and that was kind of a little task. Um, just setting up everything, creating a data folder. Um, with that, then connecting to it, making sure everything was up and running with the node.js and then the express. And so I went ahead and did that. And then from there, I went ahead just to start it up, just to see if everything was running. Um, but I'll get to that in a second. And just go ahead, let's go ahead and get to some of the code. Okay. This week, I want to go ahead and add a little bit more to my design, which I did. You see right here, I have my user info table that actually pulls once I've populated user information on my user list right here. And here's my form where I input all of my information in. And then we went ahead and created some functions. As you can see, the add user, delete, and then I'm working on, which you would see next week, I'm working on the update, which is kind of a little task, but I'm trying to get to it. And then I have more of my functions that's running. Add user, delete user, and again, I'm working on my update. And then, so we went to the global JS. We made changes in the index.jade, and then the user JS. So this is where I put my user list, my add user, and then my delete. And I will go ahead and put a route for my update, and that's going to actually be the put type. As I went into the document um, in Mongo to see actually what would be used. Let me see. There we go. And then, so actually it's the update. So we actually use update with the update operation. So from there, I can go ahead and show you some of the operation of how everything a little bit more. Okay, voila, here we go. Look like my wireframe that I showed you guys last week. And so let's go ahead and see if it's functioning. So let's go ahead and put person's name and user ID. Let's go ahead and put email, person's full name. So it's looking You see that Ajax is running, trying to see if it's someone somewhere in my database. Okay, let me put this person's name. Yeah, my age, 45. Make them Los Angeles, and he's a male. Okay, let's go ahead and add. Voila! See what's running. We basically inputted it into the user list, and so if I click this, we should be able to see his information. His first name, Brian Purvis, age 45, gender male, location Los Angeles. And if I just want to go ahead and delete anything on this list, let's go ahead and delete the test 123. Are you sure you want to delete this user? I'm sure. Voila, it's gone. So this is just a rough of my project for this week, and I will be working on the update for next week, but it's coming along. I might have some questions for the professor, but other than that, this is pretty much everything that I have so far. And thank you for tuning in.